You're supposed to either be involved in real estate, have several properties, whether Airbnb or landlord, but I'm just seeing a lot of homes. It could be a real estate agent, but I'm seeing a lot of homes. But I saw at some point in your life, leadership position, managerial position, you were cut down. And it's not by family members. Family members love you. They respect you. You're like you're the empress for the family, for the lineage. They listen to you. But be wary of co-workers. Be very wary. You could also be in you, but not to be the regular nurse, to be above. You were blessed to be above and to stay above, but you have no luck with men. Sorry. Can you give me a hint so that I can continue the reading? Let me see what you really want to know. A hint based on what I said.
I would say family division. There's a family division at this point. That's not our norm. And it's going on too long.
You're supposed to be like the head in the family. Are you like an elderly child or something?
I'm the only child left in my family.
That's why you're the head. But what is it I'm seeing about these properties?
The reason why our family has the divide is the person that's majorly involved in properties. So it's ironic that you picked that up. Yeah, their career is that, and they're the main person who started the divide, but not about the properties, but that's their main career that they do.
Oh, the property thing.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But if you're the only child, I don't see, I honestly don't see that division that you're talking about if you're the only child.
No, amongst my kids and myself, there's
Your immediate
a
family.
child that's made a divide in the family structure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look into your immediate family. Did you lose a child?
I had twins and I lost a twin.
Yeah.
And I have one of the two.
Masike, exactly. You're not gonna be upset with me if I speak the truth?